The destruction of the poor is their poverty. The manipulation and manifestation of the greedy is to keep the poor in financial bondage. Yes, they call it socio-economic slavery. If the manipulators continue to increase their price each day, then there will be continuous weeping and weeping with the poor each day. If the poor are employed at minimum wage, then there must be malnutrition day by day. If the unemployed continues to be unemployed, then the hollowness in their belly can only lead to the grave. O Jah, save and deliver the poor from the hands of the greedy. O Jah, save and deliver the needy from the hands of the greedy. When we say we need a raise in pay, you laughed and say, there's more dogs than bones to spare. Mr. Greedy, your laws and policies tells us you don't care. You treat us like a vampire each day. There is enough for everyone, but not enough on earth for one's man greed. Mr. Greedy, you make the children cry. Mr. Greedy, you make the needy cry. Mr. Greedy, you make us all cry. Mr. Greedy, the destruction of the poor is their poverty. Mr. Greedy, your deceitfulness make us die. You speak with forked tongue and open teeth. Have mercy on us, O Jah, and guide us along the way.